How to activate RBC Bank credit card without logging into any account. Let's get started. The first method is by visiting this web page. From here, you can easily activate the card. All you have to do is provide the card details. Type in your credit card number, then click on Start Activation. In the next page, you will need to type in the expiration date and the 3-digit security code and continue with the process. With that, the card will be activated without using any account. Using another method, activate by phone. Call the activation number. Dial 1-800-769-2512. Once connected, you will be prompted to provide details from your credit card. Be ready with 16-digit card number found on the front of your card, expiration date and 3-digit security code located on the back of your card. Then you will need to verify your identity. You will be asked to provide last 4 digits of your registered phone number or customer ID and any additional identification as prompted by the system. Once your details are verified, you will receive a confirmation message that your card has been successfully activated. Your card will be ready to use for both online and in-store purchases immediately. So this way you can easily activate your RBC Bank credit card without logging into any account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.